Here are more detailed examples of exotic animals that can be harmful to eat, along with the specific risks associated with them. 1. Fugu, also known as pufferfish. It contains tetrodotoxin, which is found in the liver, ovaries, and skin. Even a tiny amount can cause paralysis or death. Symptoms may appear within minutes to hours after ingestion. Only licensed chefs can prepare fugu, as they are trained to remove toxic parts safely. 2. Iguana. This animal often carries Salmonella bacteria. Eating undercooked or contaminated iguana can lead to severe gastrointestinal illness. Symptoms include diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps. Proper cooking, with an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, is essential to reduce the risk of infection. 3. Certain shellfish, such as clams and oysters. They can accumulate harmful algae that produce neurotoxins like saxitoxin or other toxins like domoic acid. Consuming contaminated shellfish can lead to paralytic shellfish poisoning, or PSP, or amnesic shellfish poisoning, ASP, which can be life-threatening. It's crucial to pay attention to local advisories regarding shellfish harvesting, especially after harmful algal blooms. Gamey meats, such as wild boar, can carry Trichinella spiralis, a parasitic roundworm. Undercooked meat can cause trichinosis, leading to symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, and muscle pain. In severe cases, complications might affect the heart or nervous system. So it's crucial to ensure the meat reaches an internal temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by a 3-minute rest period. 5. Cassava, also known as Manihot esculenta. This root vegetable contains cyanogenic glycosides, which, when consumed raw, can produce cyanide. Eating improperly processed cassava can lead to cyanide poisoning, with symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and in severe cases, death. So proper soaking and cooking are necessary to detoxify the roots before consumption. 6. Monkey meat. This exotic food can carry viruses like simian immunodeficiency virus, or SIV, and potentially Ebola. Consumption poses serious health risks, including zoonotic diseases. Moreover, hunting and consuming primates is illegal in many places due to conservation efforts. 7. Bats. These creatures can carry a variety of viruses, including rabies and coronaviruses. Eating bats may lead to severe viral infections in humans. They are also implicated in zoonotic diseases. It's important to avoid eating bats due to health risks and ethical concerns regarding wildlife conservation. When considering exotic foods, it's important to be aware of the potential health risks and ensure proper sourcing and preparation methods. Always check local regulations and health advisories before consuming exotic animals or their products.